Before spraying, you need to assemble the product simply. Then push the front body part inward. Before use, measure the paint concentration. It is best to control it below 50 in. 3 spray patterns by simply adjusting the location of iron cap, circular, vertical, horizontal. Circular shape is suitable for sides, corners. Vertical shape is for horizontal object surface. Horizontal shape is for vertical object surface. By adjusting the flow knob to control the flow rate. According to different project requirements, you can choose different nozzle sizes, and replacement is very simple. This paint sprayer is very versatile. It can be used to spray iron products, such as garden iron fences, doors, roofs, garage doors, iron shelves, and so on. It can also be used for wooden products, such as fences, tables, chairs, wooden boards, etc. Furniture. The power land adhesion is strong, and the surface spraying effect is very good. After finishing spraying, remove the container and just do simple cleaning. Put a corresponding thinner and perform a similar spraying operation. The purpose is to clean the remaining paint in the pipes and nozzles. Then remove the container and clean all parts. Are you still hesitating about such a great paint sprayer? Don't hesitate, let it be.